In this video, we will show you our exclusive recently found trading indicators strategy that demonstrates insane results even in current market conditions. Not using this number one strategy will put you at a significant disadvantage. Moreover, we're going to backtest this strategy 100 times and assess its effectiveness by evaluating its key operating metrics, including the win rate, profit factor, and account growth. This magic strategy works perfectly on any time frame for different asset classes, including forex, crypto, options, and stocks. During this video, we also will show you how you can get access to our top-notch private indicator, known as Quant Algo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Before we move on, if you want to show us your support and speed up the release of a lot of new content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell. It's only 2 clicks, but it means a lot to us. Without further ado, let's get to our trading rules. So, we utilized 3 highly effective trading indicators to create this strategy, so let's attach them to our chart. In the first step, open the indicators window, type Extreme Trend, and choose this exact indicator. Then, open the settings of the indicator, switch to the Style tab, and turn off Shapes and 200 EMA. This indicator acts as a trigger event, enabling us to determine the directional bias in our strategy. Obviously, when the X trend line becomes blue, it sends an early long signal for us, while when the line turns orange, it issues a signal for the trade short. As you can see, the indicator performs perfectly in the trending market, but issues false signals when we have minor pullback or consolidation. Hence, we should add some confirmation indicators to avoid those trades. Step 2. Open the Indicators tab, type QQE mod, and choose the following indicator created by Michael 0. Let's remain all settings by default, but adjust the Style tab by disabling the Histo 2 point. So, here's how we use this indicator for the first confirmation. With that, when the X trend shifted its color to blue, we also should catch a blue bar along the bottom to confirm our initial buy signal. Absolutely the opposite is true for the bearish case. When the X trend indicator turns orange, the QQE mod indicator should display a red bar along the bottom. Moreover, it would be great to have a blue or red QQE bar, which locates above the white MA line, as this implies a momentum gain. Otherwise, when the QQE bar is below the white MA line, this may tell us about a momentum loss, resulting in a false trade. As can be seen on the chart, we avoided a false signal right here thanks to the QQE mod indicator. So, let's move on to the final indicator. So if you are enjoying the video, leave a like on it. Also, let us know your questions and thoughts below or topics you want us to cover, as we always take your comments into consideration and love hearing from you all. Step 3. Open the Indicators tab, type Volume Flow, and click on this one. Next, open the settings, change the signal length to 25, and the max volume cutoff to 0.75. Also, activate Smooth VFI options right here. So, to confirm our previous steps even further, the green line should be above the orange line in a bull case, and more importantly, both lines should be above the 0 thresholds. Alternatively, the green line should be below the orange line in a bear case, and both lines should be below the 0 level. Finally, it's important to note that all our entry conditions should be met when the extreme trend indicator changes color, meaning we're not catching up with the trades. In terms of risk management, we should place stop-loss orders above or below the recent high or low. However, if the recent swing high or swing low is too far from our entry candle, stops are suggested to place at the X trend indicator's line. When it comes to take profit, we simply target a 1.5 for 1 risk-to-reward ratio. To sum up, let's view a live example of a perfect long trade. Here's Solana, a 5-minute time frame. As you can see, the extreme trend indicator turns blue right here, giving us an early long signal. Then, we can see that the QQE indicator is blue as well, so that our first confirmation is received. Finally, the volume flow's green line is above the orange line, and more importantly, it locates above the 0 level, so that all entry rules are met. We enter the trade here with a stop loss below the recent swing low, targeting a 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. And, boom, the price hits our take profit. Let's switch to the short example. Here's Tesla stock, a 15-minute time frame. So, the extreme trend line becomes orange right here, issuing an unconfirmed sell signal. Moreover, the QQE bar is also red, meaning that the second step is done. Next, the volume flow indicator confirms our sell signal as the green line is below the orange line, and both lines are below the zero level. We enter the trade on this candle with a stop loss above the recent high, and target 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. As you can see, our take profit was hit. With that being said, let's practically test this strategy 100 times on the euro-dollar, a 5-minute time frame, and talk through the result. For backtesting purposes, we will utilize software from TraderEdge since it is one of the most efficient backtesting tools available on the market at the moment. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on their competition. This intuitive and easy-to-use backtester gets up to 3 times faster results than using classic spreadsheets. Also, P&L Calendar and Trade Journal enables you to track your trades and identify what's working and what's not. Finally, the Indicators and Strats tab shows you the most profitable indicators and strategies that can be implemented in your trading. In addition, you will receive a full step-by-step backtesting guide, a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, and 4 pre-made high-quality strategies, worthing over $470 for free. TraderEdge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk. Click the link in the description below. Backtesting process. Behind 100 trades, the win rate came in at 73%, which is actually one of the highest numbers we've ever received for the analyzed time frame. Moving on, as you can see, our account would hypothetically increase by an insane 401.44%, which is the highest figure among our tested strategies at the moment. For instance, if you start off with $1,000 in equity, your account value will grow to roughly $5,200. It should be noted that we found those 100 trades in about 2 months. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo will put you at a disadvantage. Next, we have a profit factor of 4.06, which is considered an outstanding figure. Let's take a closer look at some additional stats. So, we experienced 10 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses, which is amazing. The 4 losses in a row resulted in a max drawdown of 7.76%. But the equity curve tells us that this losing streak occurred when we were deeply in profit. Now, let's switch to our spreadsheet with backtesting results, and as you can see, this strategy is first with regard to account growth, and second regarding win rate. So, we definitely recommend using it in the current market conditions. So if you are enjoying the video, Leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel, as it always motivates us to release more new content more often. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.